Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RSX Resurrection. As you guys can probably tell at this point, this is a very big update episode. I want to keep this episode short just for the sake of you guys getting to enjoy the visuals of this whole episode. But a really quick shout out to Josh at Anointed Aero for helping me throughout this entire process. You've been fantastic with me being impatient and answering all my questions and anything else that I could possibly think of asking you. So a very, very big shout out to you and everyone else that you work with. I know you do work with Royal Works and some of their guys, so everyone involved, a very special thank you. Outside of that, we finally got in the last few pieces for our electronic power steering rack setup. So we're waiting on a couple pieces from Honda to show up. They finally showed up over the weekend, and you guys are going to get to see the steering rack going together. Not installed in the car just yet, but the whole assembly process, and just some test fits of the wide body and general update stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoy what you're about to see. I've been working on trying to improve these videos for you guys. As always, we're growing, we're learning, and enjoy.
J'ai pas tout mis dans la trappe. Un client t'est dépassé. Tu l'as vu sur scène, vous plaise. On est aux pièces. Fuckboy, tu nous filonnes. Tu veux cop, tu la même elle la pop. Lianzon, on n'aime pas la pop. Et la pomme, dans la gomme. C'est toi la cop. On veut un code, on veut un plug, on veut un club. On veut un bac, ou non, on veut pas un blunt. Et vu le talent qui a vélo, c'est mieux dans 200, j'ai une paye de ministre. On aura roulé 200 filets, enfiler un pull, on va baiser vos putes. Et maintenant donner des thunes. Avec le H, crash, chez nous les thunes. C'est pas eu le plan, c'est plus. Je pars quand c'est dur. J'suis dans la trappe en vrai. Différent, c'est sûr. Nous on bosse, bien l'os, yeah. Et maintenant donner des thunes. Avec le H, crash, chez nous les thunes. C'est pas eu le plan, c'est plus. Je pars quand c'est dur. J'suis dans la trappe en vrai. On est différent, c'est sûr. Nous on bosse, bien l'os.